The Samsung Galaxy S24 series seems to be heralding a new era of technological innovation and performance, as leaks and rumors paint a vivid picture of its impressive capabilities. One of the most anticipated features is the integration of generative AI, bringing a new level of intelligence and functionality to this 24 lineup. Moreover, the introduction of a striking titanium gray color, among other color options, promises a visually appealing array for users to choose from. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's expected 81 boost in GPU performance, as indicated by leaked benchmarks, is a significant leap forward over its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. This jump in graphical capabilities is sure to elevate the user experience for gaming, multimedia, and more. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset is anticipated to power these devices, demonstrating impressive scores and showcasing the capabilities of this octa-core processor. In terms of design, the shift from a curved to a flat screen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra might lead to speculations about chunkier bezels. However, the introduction of an all-new titanium chassis might explain this change in measurements, maintaining the overall sleek look. Display specifications are nothing short of impressive. The rumored 6.8 HWK AMOLED M13 LTPO promises enhanced power efficiency and an incredibly wide dynamic refresh rate range from 180 to 144. Furthermore, the speculated peak brightness of 2500 in nits sets a new standard, surpassing the already impressive brightness of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Overall, if these rumors hold true, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is poised to deliver a groundbreaking combination of performance, aesthetics, and display capabilities that could redefine the smartphone landscape in 2024.